Kalat ang pangalang Casimero sa Africa dahil sa ginawa niyang kabastusan doon at sa mga pambato nilang boksingero. Uy, kaya pala, grabing left hook yan, Brad. Gumewang-gewang eh. Ito pa, champion daw to eh. Bang! Tumiklop, Brad, na parang makahiya. Ang lakas nga naman talaga ng isang prime Casimero. Napailing siya eh, oh. Dahil nga isang legit na road warrior itong si Cuadro Alas Casimero, kaya sanay na tong dumayo sa kahit saang lupa-lupayan ng mundo. Iilang boksingero lang ang may lakas loob na gawin yan. Lampas 10 bansa habang nagkamit siya ng 3 world titles. Iba't ibang klase ng boksingero ang kanyang nakasagupa at binaklas. Merong hambog, maangas, balasubas, clown, dating preso, mafia boss, future superstar kuno, Mexican cartel, gold medalist sa Olympics at kung sino-sino pang Poncio Pilato. Pero lahat ng yan ay kanyang hinarap sa sarili nilang bansa. At yung iba pa nga ay kanyang winalang hiya sa harap mismo ng mga fans nila. Ganyan kaangas itong Pinoy. Kaya binansagang angas ng Pinas kasi nga inaangasan niya ang kalaban sa loob at labas ng ring at kanyang pinapatunayan. Kung nagtagpo lang sana yung landas nila ni Inoue noong pandemya, baka wala nang mamonster-monster dyan ngayon. Isa sa madalas makasagupa ni Casimero ay ang mga boksingerong Afrikano. Kilala silang matibay mga brad dahil mahirap din ang buhay nila. Parang mga Pinoy, sanay sa gutom, init, pagod at sakripisyo. Yun din ang rason nila kaya sila nagboboxing para maitawid ang pamilya sa kahirapan. Noong nag-uumpisa pa lang si Casimero, dumayo ito sa South Africa kung saan unang nalasap niya ang first TKO loss kontra kay Mitalani. Naging hadlang daw ang kapos na preparasyon at injury di umano bago ang laban. Pero itong talo na to ang nagsilbing gasolina niya para gantihan sa future ang mga boksingerong Afrikano. 2019, dumating ang biggest break sa kanyang buong karera. Dumayo sa United Kingdom para harapin ang kinatatakutang bantamweight champion sa panahon na yon. Inangasan at minaliit pa si Casimero nitong Zizulani Tete dahil aniya, alikabok lang daw ang Pinoy. Grabe no, ang yabang. Sa katunayan mga kababayan, mas pinaghandaan niya si Inoue na susunod daw niyang haharapin. Pagkatapos kay Cuadro Alas, indikasyon na minaliit niya ng todo ang Pinoy.
I think I'll have to defend my title against Casimero. I'm gonna break him. Casimero will be right in front of me. And this time around, Casimero won't win.
Pero ang hindi niya alam, ito ang sisira sa buong buhay na pangarap niya. Okay, bakbakang Casimero versus Zolani Tete. Ito matinding bakbakan to. Biggest fight sa career ni Casimero. Panoorin natin. Okay, first round tayo mga kababayan.
Here, tactic is to get inside that beautiful long jab there of Tete. Problem is then you have that uppercut.
This is your host, Hype Man, and commentate ko yung buong 3 fights kontra African boxers.
Casimero, who'll be known to British fans as the man who stopped Charlie Edwards in September 3 years
First
ago.
few rounds nito, syempre, kalmado lang si Casimero, di ba? Pinag-aaralan niya.
Both those came by way of stoppage.
Oh, he's a quality operator, and if you allow him for
Nag-i-eksperimento siya ng iba't ibang approach kung paano mag-react tong si Zolani Tete. Matalino to si Casimero eh, pinag-aaralan niya yung kalaban.
5'9", only weighed 8 stone 4.
That's the crazy part of it. Oh, he makes trees jump.
He wants the brilliant Japanese fighter.
Uy, good exchange.
Could have been Tete in the final had he been.
Kumbaga, yan lang yung laro ni Casimero dyan. Magiging boring yan sa umpisa, di ba? Kasi ano eh, gusto niya talagang kunin yung data kung paano mag-react tong si Zolani Tete. Yun lang talaga yun. And it also applies na nire-respeto ni Casimero tong si Zolani Tete. Tinitesting niya rin kung gaano kalakas yung punching power nito, kung kaya ba niyang tanggapin. Kasi alam niyang technical to si Tete.
He can coast if I can, so he can pick you off and be happy with that.
Oo, unang attempt niya, di ba? Nakita niyo si Tete, yung muko, di ba? Syempre, makakapag-adjust yan si Casimero mamaya. Tignan niyo.
give him the edge.
Quiet sort of opener, wasn't it?
Oh, malupit dumipensa, no? Talagang attentive yung reflexes niya talagang world class. Mabilis mag-react. Uy, natapilok si Casimero doon, ah.
Fully commits to an attack. He's jumped into a few attacks.
Nangyayari yun.
Committed, and when he does that,
Grabe ang laki ng size difference, no? Ang tangkad nito ni Tete, tsaka ang haba ng kamay.
as we said earlier, whip that uppercut on the target.
Parang, bully na rin to eh. Kasi bantamweight lumalaban, dapat mga ganito kalaki, dapat nasa mga featherweight tsaka super featherweight to eh. Dapat ka-division ni Magsayo to eh.
It's a significant job.
Again, Casimero
Chill lang si Casimero, Brad. Yan ang wala yan, di ba? Willing siyang ibigay yung puntos. Aba, nag-shoulder roll din, ah.
Liborio Solis for the regular Spanish accent, Rigon down.
Alam naman natin si Casimero, dating dumaan yan sa Mayweather gym.
Two absolute geniuses, but it could also be a first move, yeah.
Di ba, pinag-aaralan niya talaga kung paano i-approach. Try niyang mag-step out sa range ng kalaban, gumawa ng angle, lateral movement.
Marge came to the ring singing and dancing.
Ay, hindi tumama yun. Naalog lang yung ulo.
Only barely doing enough, John. I just think.
First 2 rounds, Zula ni Tete yun.
October.
Ayan o, third round, nag-uumpisa magpainit si Casimero. Talagang may mga ganong atake na eh.
It's your move to close the gap, not mine. I'm the taller.
Pacquiao moves yun, di ba?
I want to keep it long. You gotta make you.
Medyo tinataas na ni Casimero yung activity niya.
Record of 5 wins and 2 defeats in world title fights. Tete.
Usually si Tete umaatras, tas nagka-counter straight. Ayun lang! Nako!
Oh, Casimero got him.
Grabe, Brad!
With a bot now. He's getting
Tinamaan ng matindi.
body shot, was it?
No, it
I'm
was on
not
the chin.
sure.
It was short.
Narinig nyo ba yung lagatok?
And he's in trouble.
Nagtayuan yung crowd eh, kasi yung lagatok, sabay tumba si Tete. Akala mo, nakatikim ng kung ano-ano mang suntok.
Can Casimero take him out here?
Gewang-gewang pa eh.
So quickly go in this round. There's 1 minute 20 seconds, and Tete still looks unsteady. He's got
Tanggal yung angas niya eh.
here and make Casimero miss.
Grabe, no?
Casimero needs to pick his punches.
O yun lang, tinamaan ulit sa sentido.
Shot, and he falls down. Tete.
Plakda si Tete, Brad. Gewang-gewang po.
He's not recovered from the first.
Nako, tinuloy pa ni Rep. Mukhang mapapahamak to. Ayun! OMG! Grabe to si Casimero, Brad. Ito yung prime Casimero na kinatatakutan. Di umano ha. Di umano ni Inoue. Okay? Kasi binaklas niya yung boogeyman eh. Yung pinakamalakas sa bantamweight division sa panahon na to. Pailing-iling si Tete. Ayun, no? Ah, grabe ka. Accurate, no? Yun, no? Mas malinaw na angle. Nako. Bang! Yun lang. Iba to si Cuadro Alas. Talagang tagapuksa ng mga boogeyman at saka mga bad boy ng dibisyon. Sa sumunod na taon mga kababayan, 2020 kasagsagan ng pandemya, palyado ang bakbakang Casimero versus Inoue dahil si Inoue ay pinili si Jason Moloney na tinanggihan ni Casimero dahil pipitsugin lang daw. May isang taga-Africa naman, partikular sa bansang Ghana ang naglakas loob maghamon sa ating pambato. Isang undefeated at dating Olympian, pinakamagaling sa kanilang bansa. Ganun din, minaliit ang kababayan natin at aagawin niya daw ang trono ng Pinoy at pagmumukhaing bata sa harap ng mga Pinoy fans.
Boxers from Philippines called Castamano. You know, I know he's a very good boxer. That's what I want. I'm hungry for this, you know. So this is what I'm crying for, and I'm gonna bring the title back home to Ghana. You know what I'm saying?
And focus this fight, and I finish this guy. I will do my best to win this fight.
I'm coming there to win.
Kaso, lunok laway siya, Brad, nang matikman ang tunay na lakas nitong angas ng Pinas. Dahil grabe ang tinamong pinsala nito, inabot ng 4 years ang recovery niya. Lumaban ng 2 beses taong 2024, kaso hindi na naibalik ang dating confidence dahil sa ginawa ni Casimero. Kasi nga ang salamin, Brad, pag nabasag yan, kahit anong gamitin mong pandikit dyan, hindi mo na maibabalik sa dati yan. Makalipas ang 3 taon, may isa na namang Afrikano ang naglakas loob sa ating pambato. Dumayo dito sa Pinas, dala-dala ang kanyang titulo. Interview pa lang, inangasan agad ang ating pambato. Sinabihan ba namang laos at matanda na, sabay dinagdagan pa niya na hingalin pa itong si Casimero. Grabe no, pinangalandakan pa niya na tanggal ang tibay ni Casimero kapag siya na ang makakasagupa nito.
Who told you that Casemiro is tough? I'm also asking you, who told you that the guy is tough?
Basta hindi to tatakbo, puputulo talaga to.
It's easy to talk, but inside in the ring is just me and you. No one will come protect you, just me and you.
Siyempre, sumagot rin ang kalmadong si Cuadro Alas at sa mismong laban, doon niya inilabas ang galit niya sa Afrikanong hambog. Ito, third fight tayo mga kababayan. Casimero versus Ngitumbua. Matibay daw to eh. Ito yung nag-angas sa Pilipinas. Tignan natin. Kasi first round pa lang talagang binanatan ni Casimero. Gusto niyang saktan kagad. Kahit gaano pa yan kalaki, kahit gaano pa yan kabakulaw, di ba? Talagang babanatan ka ng Pinoy na to.
Yes, it is. And I think that John Riel Casimero has done that. Just
Casimero looking.
Bang! Body shot yung mga talagang bumubuta sa kalaban eh. Malaki din to si Ngitumbua, tsaka mahaba yung reach. May lakas din yung suntok. Talagang na-testing din dito si Casimero.
And again, this is something that you don't fights that we've seen him, majority of it. Great shot by Casimero.
nice shot. There you go. I believe that's what John Riel was
Pero so
looking
far,
for.
in terms of technique, in terms of defense, talagang effective si Casimero. Magaling umilag, magaling pumuntos, di ba? Sumingit ng mga body shot, mga power punches.
He's ranging him. He's finding that distance so he can throw and unload that right.
But he's fighting smart at this moment.
Oh, nice left hook by Ngitumbua.
Kinain. Uy! Counter!
Overhand.
Yeah.
That's exactly what
Naku,
Casimero
nasaktan.
has been waiting for.
Yun lang. Bang! Uy! Save by the bell. Buti na lang.
Oh, in this one.
Ayun o.
What an explosive
Ginagawa mo dyan. Bang! Uy! Di ba? Grabe tong Pinoy na to.
That work in that round, and they get away.
Naku! Nakatikim ng bazooka left hook, Brad.
Went out.
The count
Ang
and his
tindi,
legs
ano?
are wobbling.
Bang!
Is he gonna come towards the ref?
The knockdown.
They're
Casimero.
allowing it to go.
Casimero going in for the kill.
Casimero going for the kill.
Lo, talagang gustong
He's trying
tuluyan
to
eh.
this to be able to hit him.
Ngitumbua
May
went
insurance ka ba, Brad?
Covering
Nako.
up by holding John Riel Casimero.
Wobbly Nonito.
He's just one punch away. Just one punch away. I think an uppercut will do this one.
John Riel just needs to get that shot.
Oh, look at him. Look at him.
Uy!
Almost out on his feet.
Grabe si Casimero, Brad. Kahit nagyaya ka pa na, talagang susuntukin.
Good body shot.
Yung killer instinct andun lagi. Kinakapa niya eh, sabay big shot niya. Uy, gewang-gewang.
Let's go. John Riel, defending champion. Looking to stay on his feet.
His legs are locking out though. His
Yun, humawak ko.
balance is off.
He still doesn't have his
Uy, good. Grabe ang haba ng reach ng Ngitumbua na to.
Now looking to low.
Ngitumbua.
Si Casimero nag-lay low.
The fight.
Siguro na naubusan ng energy o di kaya nagko-cooldown lang.
Behind his jab.
Yun lang! Save by the bell na naman, Brad.
Oh, he survives it again.
Grabe yung left hook. Ayan o.
Rotating to the left side, like I said. Nice shot.
Oh, that overhand almost ended. That would have been the end of the night.
Remaining active.
Keeping,
Consistently.
Uy, napupuruhan si Casimero ah.
Following
and
up.
like I said, once he throws that jab and he can touch you, he knows that.
Pero alam natin, nagpapahinga lang yan eh.
Unreal.
Ganyan kamagulang yung Pinoy na yan.
Yes.
Yun, body siya to. Talagang hahatawin eh.
Shot. John Riel trying to throw bombs.
For each counter that he does.
Tibay nitong Ngitumbua din.
Lighter today compared to
Yun o, tinamaan. Uy, nadulas.
He's
Nako.
depth.
Casimero firing away.
Bara-bara na tong dalawa eh. Talagang street fight, bardagulan. Pinoy versus Africa. Save by the bell na naman.
Go the distance.
Ayun o, napailing na yung ano eh. Yung corner na yung Ngitumbua. Alam lang talo sila eh. Champion ulit si Casimero dito. Grabe ang tibay ni Casimero, Brad. Iba talaga to, lalo na pag prime niya. Yun, magaling tong Ngitumbua eh, pero pinabagsak niya. Ayun o, bang! Tindi niyan. Yung ibang boksingero niyan, hindi na babangon eh.